What's the meaning of backlash? Backlash. Backlash.
Backlash. Backlash. Backlash refers to a strong negative reaction or response to a particular event, situation, or policy. It usually occurs when people feel that their interests or beliefs have been disregarded, repressed, or threatened in some way. This can happen in many different contexts, such as politics, social issues, or cultural debates. The term is often used to describe the opposition and resistance that arise when there are attempts to introduce changes that challenge established norms or values. Backlash can take many forms, from protests and demonstrations to online campaigns and disinformation. Its impact can be significant, both in terms of shaping public opinion and influencing policy decisions.